Hey guys, I'm here with some Happy Mail, and I just got it, and been waiting all day for it. Kept checking, it wasn't here, and it literally like just came. It took all day. I was like, of all days for my mail to be late. So I'm excited to see. This is a altered birdcage swap, and this is from Tiffany, who is mammatiffy here on YouTube, and she and I are in a Facebook group called Shabby Chic Crafters, so we're partners for the swap. So I want to show you guys what she made. So all I did was undo the tape on the box, and yes, I'm in my craft room right now, surprisingly. So I'm excited to see. Yay! Oops, sorry. Bump the camera. Oh, I think she made me some of her, what do you call it? Her homemade butterflies and stuff that she sells in her Etsy store. I think that's what I see in here. Let's see. Try not to rip the bag. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. You guys can see what they look like, hopefully. Let me get a piece of paper. You guys can see that better. Super cute. These are gorgeous. And she sent me 3 of them. Yay, thank you. That's going to be fun to put on some projects. Okay, so then we have another one here. Looks like that. And I'm usually not at this angle of the camera, so it's kind of weird for me. Oh, these are so cute. Wow, they're like the shell of the butterfly. Let me see. Aren't those so pretty? Oh, I love those. Thank you. Yay, and I know I'm not going to use them. I'm going to hoard them forever. Or maybe I'll make something for myself and put them on there so I could stare at them. Yay. We have another one. Oh! She sent me some of her hand-rolled flowers. I've been wanting to get some of these too. But I guess you read my mind, because here we are. Maybe I'll put this like this so it won't be so bright. I guess that didn't really help, did it? Okay, try not to rip the bag here. I love handmade stuff too, so this is awesome. Okay, oops, I dropped one. Super cute. I'm gonna like hoard all of these, seriously. They're so cute. Beautiful job, Tiffany. I love them. Will be going in my hoard vault for sure. Yay. Okay. That's not really working out very well, is it? Now, I'm so excited to see your birdcage. Oh wait, there's more goodies. I can't open that yet. Oh, what is it? Oh, thank you. And there's another bag right here. And there's some trims in here, and that's my thing. I love me some trims. Oh goodness, there's this one. Love that. And there's some red lace. Super pretty. And then we have some cream. I love this. This is totally me. Shh. Let's see if that's showing very well. cute. Thanks, girl. I love it. Putting that in my trim box. I'll definitely look forward to using that on some projects. Oh, there it went. I found the one I dropped. Now, okay, let me put these back in here so nothing happens to them. She sent me a little note. Watch out, Kendall. And here we have it all nice and wrapped. I'm excited to see it. Trying to be careful that nothing happens to it. And she showed a little preview, like a little sneak peek in the group, and it, from what I saw, was gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So excited. Oh, my tape. Oh my goodness, how cute. Look, you guys, how cute. Sorry, my dog was trying to bump me. That is so cute. And it's funny because I was going to put one of these on mine too. I haven't finished mine yet. Oh, look at the top. Hope you guys are seeing this really good. Super cute. Oh, sorry, I have to take it away for a second so I could look at it. Oh, and look at inside. Oh. It has a little clip right here with some lace, some crochet trim. This is so cute, Tiffany. I love it. Oh, you did a great job. I love it, love it, love it. Definitely gonna be on display in here. Let me put it from back here so you guys can get the whole view of it. Isn't that super cute? Oh, thanks, girl, for everything. I really love it. I'm about halfway done with mine right now, so I'll be finishing that up and getting it out to you. Hope you'll like it, but I love mine. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Bye.